Hey guys, Paybike here. We are, oh crap, we're up here in the pine forest. We're here to go trail riding. I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but this is really rocky. Oh. Oh. Jeez, Brad. He's literally going through every hard area we could go through. This is exactly what I don't like, rocks. I like just straight dirt with jumps. I'm more of a track kind of guy. Track or kind of just sandy trails, not necessarily rocks. Jeez. Jeez. Ah, great. Ugh. Jeez, I knew that was going to happen. I was just waiting for it. I have no traction on either of my tires. That's kind of cool. Jeez. Whoa. Oh, that's my headlight. Whatever, I got more of those at home. Those of you guys watching this video, look out for bears. If you guys see bears, put it in the comments, because this is bear territory. I don't know if they'd be in this exact place, because this looks like it's been like a lot of people come down here. Ooh, which way?
Look at the top of his head.
That's exactly what I was thinking. He said, okay, so he said left, and then proceeded to go right. Woo! No! God. That was so fun. Dude, that was fun. Oh. Dude, these are good trails. Huh? What? These are good trails. Why do people do this? I hate it when they do this. What are you doing? Okay. Nope. Knew that was going to happen. Dude, what the frack? Come on. Nice. There you go, bike. Hill climb! Hill climb! Aww. What a weenie. Brad! Hill climb! Hill climb! Sorry. Yep, made it. Dude, what is Brad's problem? Holy crap. Where is he going? I'll go down where it's smoother. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. My hands are cramping up. I don't know if the GoPro shows it, but it feels like I'm flying. Ow! Ah! That tree branch just hit my shin. Oh, my leg. Oh my god. My leg. Come on, bike. Minute. Dude, I rode up there far.
Dude, I can't get it back on the front sprocket.
Jeez. Dude, you were way back here.
Yeah.
You go. God. I also want to thank you guys for 200, I'm assuming it's at 230 subscribers now. Thank you guys. Also around 7,000 views on my first episode, which is good. Second episode's around 600, I believe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Ow! My arm! Ow! My shin! Ah! Ah! Okay, Speed Racer. Just to let you guys know how fast I'm going, I'm in 4th gear. You almost killed me! When he's in 4th gear, his bogs out. When I'm in 4th gear, it just keeps pushing through it.